Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Chisom Wanganga. If this is your first time tuning in, you're very much welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. So guys, if you are watching up to this time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. You are really going to enjoy this channel. Please guys, I want us to get to 1k subscribers. We are almost there. So in today's video, we are making this beautiful headband scrunchie. It's quite very easy, so stay tuned and keep watching to learn how we make it. Stay tuned. So guys, as I said earlier on, it's going to be a very easy one. This is like the main measurements of the things we need to make this headband scrunchie. So the main fabric here, the length is going to be 40 inches, the width is going to be 7 inches, the elastic casing, this is where we're going to put our elastic band, the length is going to be 15 inches and the width is going to be 3 inches, and the inner fabric, the length is going to be 14 inches and the width is going to be 2 inches. Feel free to take a screenshot of this. So we're going to start with the main fabric. We are folding it into two. We are going to sew this end, and before we make the stitch, we'll have to remove some inches from the both edges. So like this, we're going to measure 4 inches and we're going to measure half an inch so we can give it an angle. So we're just going to join the both lines together. You can make use of a ruler. I didn't have one, so that's why I just had to draw a free sketch there. You cut it out and you do likewise to the other end too. So guys, we're just, after cutting this part, we're just going to sew from this end to the other end. That's all. Just from this end to the other end, this end to the other end. That's all. We're done sewing right now, so we're still working on the main fabric. We are done sewing, so we are turning the main fabric to the right side. As you can see what I'm doing, I am using a safety pin and just turning the fabric to the right side. That's what I'm doing. We are done turning the fabric to the right side, so you could iron yours at this time, but I was in a hurry so I could not just iron it, so that's literally it. So we are going to start working on the elastic casing now. Working on the elastic casing now is just the same thing we did on the main fabric. fold into two, we're sewing from this end to the other end. That's it. And turning it back to the right side, just like what I'm doing. You add the office pin, that will help. Turn it back to the right side. That's it. And the elastic length is 6 inches. We are done turning the elastic casing to the right side, as you can see. So now we are going to be putting in the elastic band. It's quite very easy. Just put the office pin and pass it through the elastic casing, that's all. So we're done inserting the elastic band into the elastic casing. To keep it intact, we're going to sew the both ends. I'm done securing it by sewing both ends. So as you can see, this is the way it looks now. Make sure it's well secured. So we have our main fabric, our inner casing, and the elastic casing. So now we are going to be inserting the inner fabric into the main fabric, just as you can see, using an office pin. So guys, we're done inserting the inner fabric. So now you make sure both ends are aligned with the main fabric, and you secure them using your sewing machine or your hand needle, whichever one you're using. We're done securing both ends. So this part is very tricky, and I'm just cutting out the excess thread so it looks very nice. So now we are going to join this to the elastic band. I want you guys to look very closely and watch the way I'm joining it, because this part can be very tricky. We are done sewing it together. So as you can see, it's quite tricky. This is how you fold it. You fold it out just like this, and the same way the other end, and it's hidden immediately. This is quite very easy, but if you're lazy to make one for yourself, you can send me a DM on my Instagram and I'll quickly answer that DM. If you haven't subscribed until this time, please feel free to hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the bell like icon so you get a notification anytime I post a new video. And guys, I love you guys, and please remember to leave a comment. It really helps, and share and like the video. Till my next time guys, or my next video, I love you guys. Bye guys.